Well, you're wondering about the difference between industrial heavy and pharmaceutical grade chemicals. Okay, a chemical is always considered industrial heavy when it's shipped with containers, boats, that sort of thing, the base products of any chemical manufacturing, because impurities from the shipping method get into the chemical. Even if it came pure, it'll never be pure. Full of bits of heavy metal and all sorts of things. To move it to a pharmaceutical grade from your chemical bowsers in the industrial plant, you need to include a barrel spinning drip filter, which out of the bowser goes first to the drip filter, and sometimes you have to include these where impurities form later on as well. And what happens is there is the barrel spins around, has various different layers of filter paper in it, and drips through it as it spins. It drips out and keeps going. You have to replace that filter occasionally when it gets all mucked up. But that catches, depending on the grade of the filter you've got in there, like all the heavy metals and impurities and everything. So you just have the chemical out the other end. That is how you get classed as a pharmaceutical grade chemical. I've been touring part of my masters, some of the inspection sites. And I can't see on very many of them a barrel drip filter for a pharmaceutical grade, even Respiratory contains impurities, which would be very dangerous. Or even why it has adverse reactions to heavy metals that come with manufacturing that. There, that's how you make a pharmaceutical grade chemical. It just involves a barrel drip filter. It's a spinning barrel of multiple filters that drips from the center out.